Hey everybody, Kyle here with Bigger Chrome Shop, bringing you another product spotlight. Today I'm excited to be talking about Belmor's new Husky floor liners. You may have heard of the brand Husky before, as they've been making floor liners for passenger vehicles for quite a long time now, and now they are breaking into the semi-truck market. So, lucky for us. So what we're looking at here is a Peterbilt 389, 2008 newer floor mat. It comes in a 3-piece and it's for a manual transmission, but it's also available in automatic. So as you can see here, it's got the raised edges, so if you spill anything, it'll stay there until you can get it out and, clean it up. It has the stay-in-place cleats here, so these we would just plug into these spots that it has around the floor mat, and it will give you a nice streamlined look as if it's a one-piece floor mat. So it's made out of a very durable and high-quality Duragrit material. These are made in the USA, which we always love, and then as well as they come with a lifetime warranty, so they really stand behind their product. So these floor liners actually come for a variety of makes and models. So all of these floor mats come with the option of automatic or manual transmission. Right now we're looking at Kenworth T600s, 660s, 800s, 880s, and W900s. They make them for the Freightliner Cascadia, as well as many Peterbilt models. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in today. And for a look at this new product or any of our other fantastic products, check us out at biggerchromeshop.com. And don't forget to follow our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you.